guys, I just want to go ahead and insert this little piece right before the start of this video. This is a wig review, of course, but I have many other things that I post online. Cleans with me, shopping hauls, what I do in a day, hot topics, all of that good stuff. But what I need you to do is I need you to like, share, and subscribe. I am so close to 1,000 followers, and I would really, really appreciate it if I could get to 1,000 followers. It's my one dream and goal in life this year. So if you could please just help me by like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is Tonya. I am coming back at you with yet another video. And today I want to do a wig review. Well, I'll probably have to record this two-part because of the fact that I'm tired, it's late. I'm tired, it's late. Anyway, so today I'm going to be reviewing for you a hair company called Msbuy. I am not being sponsored, of course, but I am going to the Jill Scott concert this weekend, and I kind of wanted a big natural hair, real curly hair, and I came across a YouTube video. I can't even remember who it was because I ordered this package so long ago. And the girl was able to transform this hair. The hair was just the bomb. And it looked like something Jill Scott would wear. It looks like something that I would wear. So this is the hair that I plan on wearing this weekend. The catch to that is I only have tonight to take, this is an actual weave because I decided to put a weave in my hair, sew something in, because I wanted to be able to get up and go and work out and not have to worry about my hair, wig, and all that stuff, the wig coming apart. But actually, sorry about that. I'm going to have to take this out no later than tomorrow. But today I will prep this hair. So after, because I still haven't even packed, and I'm leaving first thing in the morning Saturday. The sun won't even be up. So I need to make sure that I get it together. But anyway, so the name of the company is Msbuy. I low-key felt like I wasn't going to never get my order. I'm not going to lie to you. And it's Msbuy.com. Msbuy. And I ordered this, I want to say, I'm looking at the order. Give me a moment. Let me see if it has the date. Order. And I know that it comes from, like, China and all of that stuff. But, it doesn't give me the date. I know that it took well over, I want to say, like, a month for me to get this thing back. There you go. So I ordered this on January 16th, 2020. And for whatever reason, I did not get this until, let me see if there's a date on here. I didn't get this. It got shipped out on February the 18th, so that's a full 30 days. I want to say I didn't get this until the end of February. I had given up on it. So if you in a rush for the wig, this ain't the company. This ain't the one. I'm going to just tell you that right now. Anyway, so the wig, it didn't come in no fancy box like I'm used to. I'm usually used to the little cute boxes and all that. It didn't come into that. It came in just FedEx packaging, and it might have took all day because it's from China, and you know what they dealing with over there with the coronavirus, and that shit didn't spread over here, so it probably took a long time because of that. And then it just came in this here package. I'm just now, today's the 4th of March. I know I got it at the end of February. I'm just now opening it up because I just been too busy. Anyway, so I'm taking it on out. You see, it's still wrapped in the net and all of that. And the inches that I got was, let me see, excuse me, 18 inches. And this is supposed to be transparent lace. So I'm hoping that I don't have to bleach these knots. And I don't know if you could see that or not. And let me see how transparent it is. Let me see if I could put it over my hand. I mean, the lace, I mean, it looks pretty white to me. The knots look actually good. Now, I will say that. They don't look like big old black spots or whatever the case may be. The cap construction is good. You have 13 by 6 parting space. So, yeah, you got all of that. So, I'm going to try to bring this girl to life. I'm going to try and see what she working with and go from there. But yeah, so this is like what does it say, Msbuy hair wig, 13 by 6 lace front bob wig with baby hair, pre-plucked, 150% density Afro Kinky Curly human hair wig for black women. So anyway, it did come with the wig cap, and I like that they give you the lighter color one, because that you can match that to your skin tone better. And then it does come with an elastic strap that you can actually sew on. So that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this thing together. I'm gonna come back once I get this off and actually get this applied, because I gotta do it by tomorrow if I'm gonna do it. So stay tuned. Alright, I am back, guys. This is the wig that I started to review a couple of days ago. I'm going to clip all of those videos together. I didn't have a chance to just do a straight wig review. And that is because I actually wore this wig to Houston. I'll be posting that video pretty soon too. I wore this wig on a girls trip. We went to go see Jilly from Philly, Jill Scott. Went to go see that, and this wig held. I did the ball cap method. You saw in the video where I pretty much prepped this part by putting a lot of mousse on it. I put some concealer and also some foundation just so that it would match my skin. And the product that I used, it varied from day to day. But you saw the initial product that I did when I did a twist out on it. That was pretty good. But I did ended up, when we were out there, I ended up wetting the hair and putting more product on it. And it was Miss Jackie's curl pudding, the purple one. I did end up using that. That worked just great. I also found some mousse that I used. It wasn't humid or anything. It was just, it was necessary for me to try to put some moisture because the hair gets really, really, really big if it dries out. Once it dries out, it's still beautiful, but it gets big. Like if you don't like big hair, you're gonna have to kind of keep this with a low-key wet look like this. You're gonna have to have product in it and be prepared to have product at least once a day in the hair. I've had the wig on so far. I've had it on since Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I had it on 7 days. I still don't have any lifting or anything. I've gone to the gym twice in it. So I have nothing but good things to say about it, except I will say there is a lot of shedding. And I think the shedding just has to do with the hair texture because my own hair is super curly. And if I run my hair, my fingers through my own hair, it sheds because it tangles at the end because of how tight the curls are. So I'm not going to say 100% that the shedding is due because of poor quality wig. I just think that when you go for a natural look, you go for African American textured hair, sometimes you're going to have the shedding if you are trying not to detangle it. So I didn't use any comb or anything except when I first washed the wig. I use a detangling brush. But other than that, I've been styling this wig with my fingers unless I want to change the part because it is a 13x6 parting space. So I'm able to part in the middle side wherever I want. The parting space probably goes to about from here to here, all the way across. Very natural looking, and I definitely would recommend this wig. Now, it is coming from China, and with all the coronavirus and all that, I'm not sure that how long it would take because before the coronavirus outbreak, I had already ordered. It took over a month for me to get this wig, but it was worth it. I paid $1.99, I believe, somewhere like that. I'll plug that in here somewhere. I'll give you all the information. But overall, I really think that this wig is worth it. I would recommend to go out and cop this wig because I mean it's really, really sexy. I'll also throw in some pictures of myself on my trip so you can see the different ways that I styled it and how natural that it looked. All right, so anyway, so that's it. This is short, simple, and to the point this is a decent wig. This is a good wig. So go ahead and order it. So anyway, so I will talk to you guys later. I'll be back on another one. My phone is ringing. Peace out, Tanya's World.